Hi guys, I will show this project after we poured the concrete slab. You can see here the mason, the rebar for the mason work. You can see control joint to the diamond. You can see how the anchor bolt is clean, ready to go. Control joint, squares to the diamond. Yeah, remove forms, everything is good. And here there's exterior wall will be here. But look here, that's a good concrete finish. You can see the rebar line up. Plastic cover for safety. That's a great, clean anchor bolt. Everything is good. You can see good concrete finish. That's the rebar dowels for mason work in front. That's for front wall. It's designed to be like this. Plumbing, everything ready to go. The framing. Yeah, that's a good concrete work here. Control joint, diamond, plastic sheet, rebar, and wire mesh. Good job. That's a good job. Good concrete finish. So cut. Clean job site. Okay, thank you guys.